what animal what animals are there, uh, what plants, what food are there, which buildings, which where, that's tell about what is the culture of the there, what is the
So
culture.
what did you draw?
Huh?
What did you draw?
We draw the map of that country which we select.
Okay, which country did you select?
UAE,
Why did you select UAE?
because UAE is my favorite country. It has world's biggest building,
What's the name of that building?
Burj Khalifa.
Burj Khalifa. What is the full form of UAE?
UAE, United Arab Emirates.
So is this just one country or like many places together?
Many, because that is united.
Do you know of any of them?
Uh, Saudi Arab, Qatar.
Those are different countries, but UAE have many small areas inside. Do you know the names?
Dubai, Qatar, and
Dubai, no, Oman, Qatar, and all are different countries. UAE has Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah, Alain, and one more. I forgot the name. Okay, so these are. I think there are 5 of them. Okay, and where do you think is Burj Khalifa?
Burj Khalifa in Dubai.
It's in Dubai. Okay, ठीक है. Do you know how many floors are there?
Uh, more than 1,100, more than 100.
100 floors.
More than, I
More
think
than
more
100.
than.
ठीक है. How many floors are there?
How many? One, two. I think 3.
Which one is that floor? Show me. That one is which floor?
First.
That is first floor.
Yes.
And this
That
one?
is second.
Yeah.
That is third.
Okay. But what about the ground floor?
Ground floor.
There is something called ground floor. So that floor is ground floor.
Ground floor.
And this floor is first floor.
First floor.
And this floor is
Top floor.
top floor or second floor.
Second floor.
Okay, so totally how many floors are there?
4, 3.
3 floors. Okay. Okay, and can you tell me what did you learn about yourself this year? अपने बारे में.
अपने बारे में.
What did you learn?
About values, that I learned that be respectful, give your best, keep learning,
Okay.
and hard work.
And these are values in your classroom?
Yes, this
What is hard work?
hard working is easy work is easy, but hard is hard. Hard has many things. Easy is only for in easy has easily to done. Hard has many things, and easy has less things to learn.
Okay. What about respect?
Res-
What is respect?
respect respect is speak good nicely to all of then not hitting when someone's speaking. Listen.
Do you do all this at home also?
Yes. Yes.
All the values?
Yes.
Which value is more difficult for you?
Loyal.
Huh?
Loyal.
You find that difficult?
Yes.
Why?
Because sometimes someone tell her secret, and I forgot it, and I tell everyone.
So that you think that's not loyal?
I think loyal is hard.
ठीक है. What are you good at? What are you good at?
I'm good at never stop learning.
Never stop learning.
Yes.
Okay.
And teamworking.
Teamwork. What else?
What respectful, honest, and kind.
Other than values, what else you do in the classroom which is very good?
tell many answers. When Didi asks any questions, I raise my hand. I never quite. When Didi asks question, I never be quiet. I give answers and many things.
ठीक है. What about drawing, studying English and all?
In drawing, I am good, but not very good.
ठीक है. What is your goal in the classroom?
My goal is never stop. I'll only learning.
What about a long-term plan? What do you want to become when you grow up?
I want to become a cricketer
Why?
because I love cricket. It has many things to do: batting, bowling, fielding, and many things on.
What made you think you'll be a good cricketer?
Huh?
Do you think you will be a good cricketer?
Yes,
Why?
because I and all day I play cricket and for 1 or 2 hours and my brother also tell me about cricket. He knows many about cricket.
But how do you know you will be a good cricketer?
Cricket because I see cricket and I play also very nice.
ठीक है. And what are you doing today to become a good cricketer?
Only playing and knowing about cricket, how they are.
What do you have any feedback for your Didi?
Huh?
Do you have any feedback for Didi?
Feedback.
It means like what is Didi doing good and what is Didi can do better?
I think Didi can do better in English.
Why?
Because he gone to America for many time and he know many. He speak good nicely in English.
So
So I
what does she need to get better? और अच्छे से क्या कर सकते हैं दीदी?
और अच्छे से she can.
Or something you want Didi to do but Didi not doing.
I think she has to teach Hindi also
Why?
because she did not teaching Hindi.
Okay, so who is teaching you Hindi?
One ma'am.
So let that ma'am teach, no?
Huh?
Why should Didi teach?
Because she only speaking English. Only she is telling in English. Is teaching only English subjects.
So ठीक है ना, तो like Didi also needs some break, so that's why she is not teaching Hindi.
As
Didi also need a break, no? Some break. Do you think Didi can teach full day?
no.
Then she need a break, no? That's why Hindi teacher is coming.
Okay.
But do you want to speak in Hindi to Didi? Is that why?
No. I wanted to that Didi also teaching.
So we can request her to do one Hindi lesson just for seeing.
Yes.
Didi never taught you Hindi.
Sometimes taught.
Okay, we can ask her to do it once in a while whenever Hindi teacher not present to teach in Hindi.
Huh?
When Hindi teacher is not there, we'll ask Didi to teach Hindi.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Thank you.